What is a balance sheet? A balance sheet, sometimes called a statement of financial position, isn't a timeline. It's a freeze frame. It shows where your finances stand at one specific moment in time. It answers 3 questions. What do you own? That's your assets. What do you owe? That's your liabilities. And what's left over once you subtract the 2? That's your net assets, or equity. Assets might include cash in the bank, equipment, or even something you've prepaid for. Liabilities are your credit card balances, unpaid bills, or reimbursements you still owe someone. Net assets are just the math. Assets minus liabilities. For example, let's say you have $2,000 in your bank account, $500 on a credit card, and you're waiting on $5,000 from a grant payment. If you only looked at your bank account, you might think you're broke. But the balance sheet shows the bigger picture, factoring in what you owe and what's on the way. You're in a stronger position than it looks. That's the power of a balance sheet. It helps you see whether you've got cushion or if you're scraping by. It's like taking inventory backstage. What's in the costume closet? What's borrowed? And what's actually yours if you packed up today? A balance sheet doesn't just help you. It's also a clear way to show collaborators, board members, or funders how stable your project really is.